Good afternoon, everyone. I'm working Samuel by name. This afternoon, I will be talking about biopesticide. Biopesticide is derived from natural materials such as plants, animals, or certain minerals, and it is used to control insects and other microorganisms, either on the field or in the greenhouse. Now, what makes biopesticide different from that of the regular container chemical we use? Biopesticide is naturally derived. Word naturally is gotten naturally either from plant, but this morning or this afternoon, sorry, I will be emphasizing more on that is derived from the plant. And we have different type of biopesticide. We have the micro biopesticide, we have the botanical biopesticide, then we have the biochemical biopesticide. But this morning I will be emphasizing more on bio, botanical biopesticide. And when we look at for our name, for example, the name leaf is one of example of our botanical biopesticide. And this has been used even in the ages of our old father to use to control pests, either on the field or in the greenhouse. Now, why do we use biopesticide? Now, biopesticide is economical friendly. It's economical friendly and it's cheap. For example, I'll use the one of the natural leaf or one of the tree we see around us, which is the neem leaf. The neem. When this neem leaf is being soaked, we have some microorganism or some micronutrient or microchemical in this that is being used to control our pests on the field. Now, one of the advantage again we have about biopesticide is that it reduce chemical residues. It reduce chemical residues on the crop. Do you know that majority of what we consume these days are full of chemicals? Yes. Now let me cite an example. A farmer that want to grow his farm on the field, the first thing is either he look for a manual clearing or mechanical clearing. After the clearing, you might want to use pre-emergence herbicide. One chemical has been used. After then again, after his planting and everything, let's say okay, a farmer that plants maize, at the end of the day want to use also a certain chemical to control his disease on the field, may decide to use another chemical. That's pre-emergence. So now we have other some post-emergence activities the farmer will also want to do at the cost of his crop for it to survive against either pest or weed. And all these chemicals have their effects they have on the human consumption. But biopesticide chemical are safer to use because it reduces that residue that is on those crops. Now, one of biopesticide, we have different biopesticide material we can use. One of it is the neem leaf I mentioned earlier. We also have the teutonia, we have the akitola, the sunflower, and the rest. All these are being used to control biopesticide control. Now let's look at why some farmer may decide not to use biopesticide material. One of it is that it's slower. Yes, what I will use, maybe probably I want to use a fungicide. Within the next day I start seeing the reaction. But for a biopesticide, it slows. Before it starts seeing the reaction, it takes a longer period of time. Before you see the reaction, it takes a longer period of time. Another thing again is that it may require specific environment. Yes, it may require some specific environment. Now let me broaden this. The rate in which I will use my biopesticide in the greenhouse will be different from that of the field because of the environmental activities of that place. So in my next video I will be talking about how we can mix some of these biopesticide chemical, the ratio of where to use and the particular types of pesticide that we can use